we suck all this ocean water with this pipe. We don't use directly to our shrimp, so we put it here. Hello Laut friends, welcome back to our channel. This is part of our prawn farm. Welcome to our prawn farm. Did you know that we didn't use normal water in this prawn farm? We use directly ocean water. How we do that? We suck all this ocean water with this pipe. This pipe is about 8-inch, so it's about 20 centimeter wide. And how long does it take like this? We suck this baby out for 1.5 kilometer away directly from the ocean. And after that, we don't use directly to our shrimp. So we put it here in transit and treated the water for 2 times 24 hours. It's like 2 nights. Why we do all that? Because we want to ensure the security and the safety, and therefore we have a very good high of SR rate, or what's normally the shrimp farmer call survival rate. Our prawn farm has survival rate 85 to 90%. Normally with other farmer it's about 80%, because there's a lot of effort to do that. One of the effort is to do this. This transit pond is 50 by 60 meters square. So all this is about 3,000 meters square. And as you can see, you have the blue thing over there. That's where we have to mix the treatment and make sure all the mixture come together. That blue thing over there serves 2 purposes. In the shrimp pond, it served and provided oxygen for the shrimp. In this pond, it served to treat everything equally. So it's spread out all to the water. What to do next after this? I hope I will see you at the next video. Alright, see you later Laut friends. Bye.